Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. Global oil markets spiked as tensions between Israel and Iran escalated. Brent crude surged up to 14%, settling around $74 a barrel amid fears of disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, home to nearly a third of global oil shipments. Iran's defense minister has threatened to strike U.S. military bases in Iraq and the region if any attack is launched on Iranian or nuclear sites, warning that all American posts are within range and Iran would boldly target them. U.S. forces reportedly assisted Israel by intercepting Iranian ballistic missiles and drones fired overhead. Ground-based U.S. systems played a key role in neutralizing the threat before it hit Israeli territory. Israel's defense minister warned that if Iran continues launching missiles at Israeli civilian areas, Tehran will burn. He emphasized that ongoing attacks risk a much stronger Israeli military response. Gulf nations fear being dragged into the Israel-Iran conflict. Leaders from Saudi Arabia, UAE, and Qatar are quietly expressing concern over regional escalation and potential cross-border fallout. You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Update, your front row seat to global defense power shifts. Stay tuned for full headlines. Don't forget to subscribe. The U.S. has deployed a second THAAD missile defense battery to Israel, supplementing Patriot systems and U.S. air assets. This move follows Iran's mass missile and drone launches targeting Israeli territory. THAAD's high-altitude intercept capabilities bolster Israel's layered defense architecture. While this demonstrates strong U.S. support, it also deepens American military involvement and poses risks if missiles directly threaten U.S. installations in the region. In response to Israeli strikes on Iran, Yemen's Houthi rebels launched ballistic missiles that struck near Ben Gurion Airport in Tel Aviv, triggering air raid sirens. With sirens also blaring in Jerusalem, the drama has escalated tensions across southern Lebanon, leaving Hezbollah on high alert and the region teetering on the brink of expanded conflict. Southern Lebanon is edging toward a dangerous tipping point. Israeli airstrikes have targeted Hezbollah infrastructure in southern Beirut and the border region, marking some of the largest attacks since the November ceasefire. Lebanon's army has condemned the strikes, warning they undermine its ability to monitor ceasefire violations and may force it to withdraw from UNIFIL cooperation. These nightly raids, focused on alleged drone and missile sites, are sparking panic and evacuation orders in dense civilian neighborhoods. China's UN envoy has condemned Israel's preemptive airstrikes on Iran's strategic sites, branding them military adventurism. Speaking at the Security Council, Beijing warned that such actions threaten regional stability and urged both Israel and Iran to de-escalate and seek dialogue. China's statement underscores its expanding global diplomatic engagement in Middle Eastern security matters. An Israeli airstrike on Iran's military and nuclear facilities reportedly killed prominent stock market analyst Sina Soleimani, a civilian figure. His death has sparked concern among financial experts, warning that such strikes on economic leaders may weaken investor confidence. Analysts now caution that civilian losses could deepen Iran's economic and diplomatic backlash. Pope Leo, in a measured Vatican address, appealed to both Iran and Israel to act with reason and engage in peaceful dialogue. He reminded global leaders that no nation has the right to threaten another's existence, and stressed that efforts toward mutual respect, justice, and diplomatic resolution are essential, especially in an era overshadowed by nuclear threat. In the wake of rising tensions between Israel and Iran, the United States has quietly urged Pakistan to remain neutral in the unfolding conflict. Diplomatic sources say Washington conveyed its message through back-channel communication, emphasizing the need to avoid fueling sectarian divides or aligning too closely with Tehran. While Pakistan has publicly condemned Israel's recent airstrikes, U.S. officials are concerned that overt support for Iran could complicate regional stability and affect ongoing defense and economic engagements. Islamabad, balancing its historical ties with Iran and strategic relationships with Gulf allies, now faces a delicate test of diplomacy as the Middle East edges closer to open confrontation. In the wake of rising tensions between Israel and Iran, the United States has quietly urged Pakistan to remain neutral in the unfolding conflict. Diplomatic sources say Washington conveyed its message through back-channel communication, emphasizing the need to avoid fueling sectarian divides or aligning too closely with Tehran. While Pakistan has publicly condemned Israel's recent airstrikes, U.S. officials are concerned that overt support for Iran could complicate regional stability and affect ongoing defense and economic engagements. Islamabad, balancing its historical ties with Iran and strategic relationships with Gulf allies, now faces a delicate test of diplomacy as the Middle East edges closer to open confrontation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.